Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be with you. We are reaching the fourth day and the fourth section, Juz' min al-Quran, this section where we can find so many things, so many interesting teachings that we find in the Quran, especially in this section. And there is one teaching which is very important, dear to my heart, to the point that you will find the verse that I'm going to talk about everywhere in my books, and it had and still has a great impact on my work and the way I'm thinking of spirituality. And I think that this is coming through the Quran, and we need to get this deep dimension. When we find in the Quran the verse saying إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب. There is in the creation of the heavens and the earth, in the alternation of night and day, signs for those who are full of discernment, are full of insight. This verse is bringing us back to the very essence of what Islam, what revelation is all about. As you know, the first verse is saying, Iqra, read in the name of your Lord who created. And here it's important, what do we have to read? You read the book that is coming to you, but it's also read the creation, read the world around you, read yourself. You are a book. You are going to present your book, but you are a book. So as much as you have to read people, you have to read yourself. You have to read the universe. You have to read the book that is going to talk about the universe. And we even have in the Quran the words, the notions that we have. We are talking about verses, and this is the way we are translating in European languages, al-ayat. But ayat doesn't mean verses, it means signs. So there are signs in the book mirroring the signs in the book of the universe, of the creation, and both are mirroring each other. So between the signs and between the two books, you have to come back to yourself and to ponder. Read yourself. Why are you fasting? What is the very meaning of fasting? Fasting means come back, read yourself. Read your heart and get it right. You are not going to look at the world. You are not going to look at the universe. You are not going to look at yourself only through the physical eyes. You have to come back to your heart, because the heart is seeing, and it's through this that you can get the deep understanding. إنها لا تعمى الأبصار ولكن تعمى القلوب التي الصدور. It's not your eyes that are becoming blind. It's your heart in your chest. This is where you have to find light. You have to find the very meaning of things. So in this verse that we have in this section, there is the deep teaching. While we are coming back and trying to fast, what are we trying to do? Read yourself. Come to your heart. Come to the very deep understanding of why are you fasting? What are you trying to reach? Which kind of liberation you want to go through? You have to liberate yourself in order to come close to the Creator, look at the world, and be able to look at the beauty around you. Because to look at the beauty is a way of worshiping, and serving people is a way of worshiping. Beauty, aesthetic, and service, and humanity. These are the elements, the signs on your way towards God. Remember, always remember, don't forget to tell the people you love that you love them. Life is fragile, always fragile. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.